Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I am showing you the Your Creative Studio. I'm doing an unboxing for the lovely sewing themed box. I will put the month that this was sent out on the screen because I don't remember at the moment. I'm absolutely loving the theme, of course, because sewing is one of my fave themes to work on. I love the packaging of the scissors. I love the stickers that they sent. And within the Your Creative Studio box, you'll find a lot of items that are exclusive to Your Creative Studio. So you won't find these in other places. I have a few unboxings for them and projects. So I will link that playlist below in case you're interested. I love this washi tape as well. So each of the boxes comes with many supplies that you can use in your junk journals or scrapbooking projects. For this video, I'm just going to quickly show you what I received in the box. And then I'm also going to show you some projects that I've been working on. Something really easy and fun that you could put together with any of your supplies. But of course, if you have any of these goodies, it might inspire you on how you can use them up. I'm really liking these clear stickers, so like they don't have like that wide edge on the sides when you peel them off, and it's a really large variety actually of images here. So you can see they're all nice and clear, so it will be nice to add to anything because you'll be able to see right through wherever you're putting them. I am really excited to be sharing this video finally. It's a bit late for me to share, as you all may know if you watched my update video, what's been happening. So it's nice to be able to finally share the video and just show you the projects that I have been working on. I really like this cardstock that these are printed on. It's really nice and thick cardstock, so it really is nice. And I like the images, of course, on these, I'm going to call them journaling cards because that's how I would use them. And then these larger cards are also on really nice thick paper. So that's really nice that they include such a nice variety of them. I'm really looking forward to making more projects with these pieces. But the first thing that got me started is what I'm going to show you in a little bit. I will also put a timestamp in the description box below if you wanted to skip to that project as well. And like I said, don't forget to check out Your Creative Studio. I will link their shop below and also previous unboxings that I've had in projects. This is really nice because I'm thinking I could make like 2 tags out of this, and I believe these are sticker sheets, which is always nice to have. You can see that there. I love the sticker sheets because you can just use them in anything. And even if I were to, let's say, maybe use die cuts and die cut some shapes out of these, it would be nice because there would also be stickers that are coming out of them. This one included a doily, which is really nice. I like to use some of these items that they send as like photo props, you know, when you're taking pictures or, you know, even when filming a video. It's nice to have it on your desk or on your table as like a little texture, like with the scissors and stuff. So I really like that they include these different pieces that you can, you know, use with many things. This is a nice little stack of like a little notepad with different things on them, and I think it has 4 different types of designs on them, which is really nice as well. These are perfect if you wanted to add them to your Happy Mail. It's nice to add, you know, sets of these things because there's so many here. So it's nice to add those to those Happy Mail pieces. Now, I believe these are the stamps, and their stamps are really nice and clear. The images come out so nice, so I always really like their stamps. And I like the different sizes that they include. Like, look at these cute little bobbins and I guess it was like ribbon there. And then we've got another like smaller washi. Look at the tiny little charm, the sewing machine, so adorable. And then you've got your larger stamp, which they always include as well. So a nice variety of items. They're all vintage style, which is really lovely. Perfect to use in your junk journals or scrapbooking projects. There's always a nice variety, and they do have a subscription for their boxes. I think you can do like a one-off purchase, and you can also join the subscription, which is like, I think you can do 3 months in advance or something like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and let me just show you the project. So I'm going to show you some pieces that I've been working on. I'm still working on them, but I wanted to show you what I've done so far. Hopefully you'll get a little inspiration from what I've made. Yeah, let me show you what I've done. I'll show you what I've been working on. And this is what I've put together so far. I always like to repurpose things, of course, and so this was the perfect project for that. So I used a few pieces, as you can see. The stickers, some of the papers that came, the stamps, more of the stickers. I haven't decided what I'm putting there yet. So this one has a pocket here, and you can see this is the packaging that came with the lovely scissors. So I'm going to maybe collage on that. I'm not quite sure yet. I've got a tag that's sticking out of that side, and then we flip it over. And we have another pocket in the back with some of the pieces from the kit. Here I just added the stamp. I like how nice and clear the stamps are. And then another stamp there. Some of these papers are from my collection, the green for sure. And then these are from my portrait prints, I believe. So I've got that there, and that one is from there as well. So that's one. And then I'll show you this one here. So I've got the stickers again, the stamping. Again, I collaged with some of my own papers. I think this is from, oh my gosh, I don't know what design that is. I'm sorry. And then this is from the collection. The one that I just showed you. And then the back again has another pocket, and here I used the thank you card that came in the kit, and then I just kind of collaged it on top of that. This piece is from Beth Wallen, her digitals as well. I remember that. And then I just added a little decoration there, some of stitched paper. And then that's the tag in the back. So I'm still, you know, finishing these off, but I wanted to show you what I've done so far. And then this next one here, I just did it in like a, you know, this kind of layout. So the pocket, I think this is from Victoria Designs. I think these are Victoria Designs. I did the stamp again. And then here I used a die cut. I'll show you these ones. They're super adorable. I just got them from Impression Obsession. I just love them. So I'm just using one here. And then I'm not sure, I think this is also from Victoria Designs. This is part of a die cut. Now I'm not sure what this is because I think it came with a set of these ones, which I'm not sure if I've shown you the video already of these dies, either before this video or I'll show it after, I'm not sure. But this came with it, and I'm not quite sure what it is. So if you know what this is supposed to be, let me know, or how it's supposed to be used. And then we've got a little checklist there. And then we turn this over, and I have another pocket in the back. Victoria Designs again for these images. This is the washi tape that came in the set. I mean, I didn't have to do anything to this journaling card. And then this one was packaging that I just cut up. And then I just added some paper pieces. This is from one of my kits as well. So I just tore a little piece of it, added some of the washi. I'll still probably stamp on it, maybe add some more to the tag and everything. So I'll finish these up for sure, but I wanted to show you what I've done so far. And I know I put a pocket here, but I probably accidentally sealed it. I'm sure it's there somewhere. I'll find it. So anyway, so these are the 3 pieces that I've been working on with the Your Creative Studio pieces. I do have other videos for Your Creative Studio if you wanted to check them out. I will link those below, as well as some of the unboxings. And that's it for now. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you very soon. Thanks so much for stopping by.